Alright guys, so in the other video you guys saw, I got a flat on the Ultra. So now I'm gonna take the rear wheel off to get the tire changed, and then I'm gonna pull the triple clamps off. That's gonna be a mission, but I wanted to pull them off to chrome them out like this. You guys see how nice that looks? Bottom part too. So that's the plan for the Ultra B, and I'm gonna get to working on that right now. So in the next clip, I don't know, it's either the front forks will be, like the plastics and all that will be off, or I'll have the rear wheel off. We'll see. Alright guys, got it down to 220. Fully sanded down everything. So now I'm gonna get to sanding with hand sanding with sandpaper to 3,000. So I'll see you guys back when I get to 3,000. Alright guys, this is 3,000 before polish. So now I'm gonna polish it. It already looks good. Polish the first part, so it's still a little dirty with the polish on it. Still gotta wipe it down, but dang. Yo guys, I got the guts! So I got the Ultra seat right there. So now I'm gonna unbox that, and I'll see you guys right back. Alright guys, opened it. Let's get this out. Wait. Yo! Vehicle model Ultra B. Alright guys, let me pull it out. Alright. We got the warning. Check the list. Okay. Installation video. Another gut sticker. And the bag. Yo! Oh wait, wrong way. Yo, guys. Bro, that's gonna look so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep you guys back when I got it installed. Let's go. Alright guys, look it. Got the forks back on. Chromed out. Look at that. Looking so good. Everything's back together. And then look at the guts. Yo. It looks so good. So much better than stock. So now I'm gonna cue you guys to when I'm outside. Yo guys, we got the Ultra B here with all the mods that we put on in this video. It's looking so good. Let me get out the glare. So what we got, brand new pegs, the guts look so nice, ODI grips, chromed out triple clamps. Bro, it's looking so good. So now I'm gonna cue you guys to the GoPro, and we're gonna go for a quick ride, and then you guys will cue to the clips at the Electrify Expo. So let's go. Yo guys, cued into the phone clips now. So, Ultra B's back, flat tire is fixed, and it feels so good. Especially with the rim lock, it is so much better. So right now I'm riding to my friend's house, and this guts is so nice. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it feels really good. Way better than stock, and it looks way better. So that's a win-win. Chromed out triple trees. Gee. So I'm still kind of running because I was riding the light D for like a week. That's how guy took. We do have the 17-inch supermotors on the way. I got them. So that would mean definitely no more flats because those are street tires, obviously. But today I went to the expo and I just got back. It was so much fun. It was crazy. But I did go Sunday, not Saturday, which the day Sronster is going to be there because we couldn't make it. We were busy. And then That's why I couldn't post a YouTube video yesterday. So that's why the YouTube vid's coming out Monday. My bad, guys. So, but we did see, wait, you guys can hear me. We did see Dylan, one of the Shogo twins. That was cool. His bike is so clean. So I got clips of those. You guys will see it after this clip. I saw his new E-Ride Pro. Saw so many cool bikes and cars. It was crazy. After this, I'll put up a little montage of everything we see. Ooh, so that's what I've been up to. And if you guys are putting ultra big grips on, just keep in mind it was a pain. You see the bumps? I had to razor blade the old grip off because they like super glued it on, and it's a cheap material grip, so it was just ripping and stuff. So I had to razor blade it and then try to fit grip over, keep cutting. It was annoying, but I did finally get it, which was good, really good. So I love this bike. So I don't know which one I like more. So like this one and the Suron are my favorite bikes. Well, they're both Surons. This one and the Light B are my favorite. So, alright guys, I'm about to get to my friend's house. So I'm gonna see you guys back in the expo.
Yeah, fun. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's roll into it.
Starboard Mini, bro, and another Starboard. Yo!